Hey kids, how are you? Are you ready to learn a new lesson with me? Very nice. So today we are going to learn about pronoun my. So pronoun my is a possessive adjective which is used in place of first person singular. Possessive adjective. Oh God, a new term. But a very easy term. A possessive adjective tells us that something is owned by the first person singular and it is followed by a noun. For example, this is my bat. So, in this sentence, pronoun my denotes that the bat belongs to first person singular. And tell me, is it followed by a noun or not? Yes, it is followed by a noun which is bat. So, let's see some examples and make the concept of pronoun my clear. So, Rudy, our first example of pronoun my is, this is my doll. So, I am the speaker in this sentence because I am talking about myself. Now, why we have used the pronoun my? Because it shows that the doll belongs to me. And whenever we have to show that something belongs to the speaker, always use the pronoun
My.
Correct, because pronoun my is always used to show possession towards the speaker. So, Rudy, read the second example.
This is my house.
Absolutely correct. So, who is the speaker here?
I am the speaker here.
Absolutely correct, which means you are the first person because you are talking about yourself only. And why we have used the pronoun my? Because it shows that the house belongs to you. So, Rudy, our last example of pronoun my is, he is my friend, which means I am the speaker and I am the first person because I am talking about myself only. And in this sentence, we have used the pronoun my because it tells us that the friend belongs to me. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun my. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.